Jest nieobecna. Pan poseł Ernest Maragall.
She's not here. Ernest Maragall.
Zielonych.
The Greens.
Chair, good evening. Let's talk about Catalonia. That is, we're talking about Europe. In Catalonia, there's a process of self-determination going on. It's peaceful and it's of high democratic quality. 2.3 million of votes on the 9th of November, 2 million participants on the 11th of September, 1.5 million of signatures of statements in this sense. But the Spanish state denies to have the dialogue necessary here. The Spanish state is not fulfilling the rules of the rule of law that we demand of the countries who want to join the EU. Spain today is not living up to this basic requirement. There was there was a suspension of a Catalan judge for the pure fact that he expressed his political options as a citizen, and there's an anti-democratic character to many of these decisions. It's an attack on the basic rights of citizens and of Catalonians. Well, Catalonia is not a part of dangerous nationalism like that of the Spanish state. Thank you very much.